This is La La coming at you today to tell all my haters can't stand to see your face. Too busy to get my cash so I can come up fast. Y'all don't know nothing about me, just go by what you see. I ain't no singer or a rapper, yo, but I can make this shit happen on the real, ho. I know you thought I really couldn't do this shit. That's why y'all ass so irrelevant. I'd rather fuck with a bunch of niggas than sit around and listen to you funky snake ass pussy bitches. I go to work, I pay my bills, take care of my kids, and maybe drink and chill with my cousin then. I keep it real, and that's a motherfucking promise. Maybe a bitch, but at least I'm being fucking honest. When I walk by, don't stop and stare, but keep looking cause I don't fucking care. I have my own life, I have my own style, not trying to please you, not trying to make you smile. Now shut your hating ass up and keep my name out your mouth. 4 fingers, no thumbs, you don't hear me, son. Nah, I'm so gone.